I'm James from Life Panels. This little model is to demonstrate the use of our products if you require a rendered finish. We've got a 60mm Combi panel direct fixed into the frame and the 90mm bulk infill which goes between your studs. Let's look at a bit more detail of this. This model demonstrates what would be a fairly good detail for a concrete slab. So we've got a step in the concrete slab, we've got the termite protection which goes up the rebate and underneath the frame, we've got the starter profile with a 20mm drip, and then we've got the XPS polystyrene to start the wall. Why we would use this polystyrene here is when rain hits the floor and bounces onto the wall, we just want to protect the first 300mm from excessive moisture. As you can see, both the XPS and the Combi panel are direct fixed through into the frame using the washer fixing, and then we'd also protect the washer fixing with a little polystyrene bullet, and that creates a thermal break. It prevents the transfer of heat and cold through the fixings, which can cause a problem with damp and mould internally. The transition between the wood fibre and the XPS polystyrene, we'd use in this detail something called Combi Panels. This is an expanding foam tape and it creates a weather seal. Over the face of this we would have a 2-coat lime-based render using a mesh for any stress cracks and pressure points. That's the outside. Inside, this detail remains fairly typical across any of our systems. We've got the engineer specified bracing internally, and we like to use an OSB 3. It's good for air tightness, but it's also vapour open. You can tape the joints with an airtight tape, and we can quickly create with these battens a service void, which means you can quickly fix the electrics and plumbing. There's no drilling through studs, super quick, finish it with a gyprock, piece of skirting, and that's your detail.